pop some, you've got to make sure they make nice round shapes, so you might want to test your bit of soft pastel, and it is good to do it in soft pastel. And you need to look at where these water droplets are and how they clump together, because you don't want them looking like star constellations. There was a few that clump together, but they vary in size, and some of them are teeny tiny and they're just white specks like that. Some of them are bigger. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that for the moment because you can overdo it. Then I've got my Creta colour. I'm going to make it sharper. And then I'm just going to go in underneath, a little bit underneath, a little bit at the top. They really don't need much at all, just a little bit here and there. And if you've not done these before, it's a good idea to practice, because you end up drawing circles around them and then they don't look realistic at all. So it's better to practice. Just push that one in. And if you're worried that you're going to ruin it, just don't put them on at all. They just need a little bit of highlight around them, that is all. The tiniest, tiniest little bit. Not all the way around them, just a little tiny bit.